Hey folks, check this one out. So it's usually the case in all my videos. These trucks aren't clean, but you know what? Montana. 2019 Silverado 3500 and fresh install on a 4-inch Cognito Motorsports race torsion bar system. These are 37 by 1250/20 Mickey Thompson Baja Boss ATs, and the wheel is a Black Rhino Abrahams. This is a 20 by 9.5 with a negative 18 millimeter offset. And let me tell you, 4 inches of lift, it is tough to fit that offset and a 37-inch tire on this 4-inch lift. Lots of trimming, but dude, thing looks great, doesn't it? So as always, you know, ride quality in this thing is stellar. These 4-inch kits from Cognito are the way to go. If you haven't seen my other video describing leveled versus lifting, I'd encourage you to look at that video and see why we choose to do lift kits over leveling kits whenever the budget allows, obviously, right? Did a Banks monster exhaust filter back system, still emissions compliant, obviously. We also did a Banks Derringer on this one. Kind of see what some of that looks like in here. Thing's been attempted to be installed by the owner, so it's a little scratched up, but a little spray paint will certainly help that. Oh, excuse me, actually, I forgot. This was actually just in Banks's defense here. So this is actually painted by the customer, attempted to install, didn't work out. So we just ended up finishing up the install. So that's paint, that's not Banks's powder coat. Like you, I was a little bit aghast at how bad that is when I just looked at it showing you guys this video. But anyway, decided to do the upper control arms on this one. Sweet. Everything about it's really good. Here's the front view. Pretty tough looking truck. Anyway, you got questions about Cognito Motorsports or any other suspension system you think we might have some information on, be sure to give us a call, shoot me an email, leave a link in the comments, like, share, all that stuff. I'll keep trying to get these videos out with these little walk-arounds here, and hopefully you guys like what you're seeing. Thanks much. Have a good day.